Kia ora, this is Ilsa reporting for Kia Kids News. We are reporting today from Aramoana. We are meeting a scientist who is coming up with ways to help in the hunt against possums and rats by fishing their DNA out of rivers and seas. And surprise, he's my dad. My dad uses new ways to find animal and plant life. He examines water to find microscopic information left behind by animals and fish. He even took his new technology to Scotland to look for the Loch Ness monster. The information he's gathering is stored in a little twirly thing called DNA. It's in every living thing. Think of DNA as the instructions of building a Lego set. And imagine that the instructions are stored inside every individual piece of Lego. That's how our bodies know how to build themselves. Did you find the Loch Ness monster?
No, we didn't find a monster. We did find an awful lot of eel DNA, and so there had been some suggestions by some people that there are giant eels in Loch Ness.
So maybe the Loch Ness monster is actually the world's biggest eel. How does finding animal DNA in the water help our environment?
So the first is that it helps us figure out where stoats and possums and rats and various other pest species that we might want to control are.
How does eDNA testing work?
So we're picking up things that you'd need a microscope to see generally, and we're capturing them in a molecular net, a filter that captures the cells of plants and animals and bacteria and other living things.
How does DNA get in the water?
Possums and rats, they either drink it or they bathe in it, or they're peeing and pooing, and then traces of their DNA are being washed down into the rivers and lakes and ocean after rainfall.